Lots of light. No gap. All right, this door closes pretty slowly. But we have our front door right here. We have a pretty long corridor to get to the door. We have a bathroom, pretty bright, a little small, but there's definitely been smaller rooms. Lights all the way around. Got some white tea lotion. And then we have our shower. Then we have the white tea stuff as well. There's our shower head. That's also one as well. It is also a tub. We have a robe. And then there is a hair dryer down there. And then when we come out, we have a good sized closet. And then in here, it has some like room rates, but I don't know if this is the maximum or not. But for a month, $21,000. I don't know who's doing all of that. I'm not sure if that's maximum. There's rules and blah, blah, blah. I don't know if I don't see a maximum rate on there. Then we come into the room. It looks very quaint. A little spot right there to charge stuff. Then we have this nice TV stand, wooden. Looks like it's curved in a bit. And it sounds like there's a mini fridge right in here. Good size mini fridge. Got the coffees and whatnot. Smart TV, can do YouTube and Netflix and whatnot. And we have a nice big old bed. You kind of have to get up to get in there, hop up in there. Nice little design, little textured headboard. Got a stand there. And then I don't know if these are drawers or not. It looked like it could be. Okay, yeah, these are drawers. The Book of Mormon's in there. Little table right there. Is this a sleeper couch? I feel like it's not. Yeah, it is not a sleeper couch. We have that looks like a nice spot to sit down in. There's not a view outside because it's kind of the tarmac or where folks will go in to the ramp. But yeah, folks, this is the room. It's quaint. This bed looks wonderful. Heavenly. A Westin heavenly bed, probably.